people hear oily skin and they cringe. But what if I told you there's a new beauty trend that actually encourages it? Today we're revealing why you should use cooking oils, that's right, I said cooking oils, on your face to look younger. Please meet beauty expert and blogger Anna D'Souza, who says she swears by it.
So I know it sounds crazy, but everyone I know, even those in Hollywood, they're putting cooking oil on their face. As a beauty expert, I'm no longer turning to spas when I want to feel youthful and refreshed. I'm actually just headed to my kitchen pantry. Actually, I have a confession. When I'm traveling, I head over to the salad bar to sneak some olive oil to put on my skin before bedtime. The best part is that it's fast, easy, cheap, and you can do it too.
Anna is here. How can this possibly work?
First, I'm gonna get banned from every salad bar in the country because olive oil is expensive. It could be expensive, right, Dr. Oz? So the reason that it works is it's working in tandem with the biology and chemistry of your skin. Now, every time you over cleanse your skin, you're stripping your skin of your defenses, right, from UV, from any sort of environmental factor. So when you're using natural oils, you're nourishing your skin from the outside in.
At least the clogged pores will taste good.
It's delicious.
So, you've got a bunch of oils examples, so give us a list of the ones that are your favorites.
Okay, so for dry skin, you want to turn to olive oil. Now, olive oil gives you that natural barrier for your skin, so then it's going to help you prevent those micro tears or those little tiny micro cracks that you get, especially in the wintertime, right? Everyone feels really dry. So this is a really great option for those with dry skin.
All right, and what if you have oily skin?
Okay, so
the dreaded oily skin.
Okay, I love sesame seed oil. Now, it's such a surprise. Sesame seed oil is an anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, and antifungal. Now, P. acnes is the bacteria that causes acne. So if you're able to disinfect your face, basically at the end of the day from that day's grime, you're one step closer to being acne-free and having clearer skin.
Right, and not surprisingly, you also have coconut oil, which is fantastic to put in your mouth, but why on your skin?
Yes, it smells so good. So coconut oil is great for those with combination skin. Now, it helps to balance the pH of your skin. Now, the pH scale is from 1 to 14. Your skin is super happy at a 5.5, which is slightly acidic. So coconut oil really helps with that too.
Which one do you use personally?
I love the sesame seed oil because I do have acne-prone skin.
All right, again, how do you actually apply it? I mean, you just pour it like a salad dress bar?
With a straw, no. So there are 3 ways that you can use any of these natural oils. One is by cleansing. So again, sesame seed oil, great for those with acne-prone skin to cleanse, or you can use any of these for a mask. So a mask is also great. So again, you want to start with super clean skin, apply it, let it sit for about 20 minutes, and then you can towel it off. So you're going to towel off all those dead skin cells on the surface.
And back to the washing one, the first one again. If I would put sesame oil out, I just coat my face and then quickly wash it off. How do I get it off?
You can. It's actually really great. So you apply it, you start to massage it onto your skin, then you can towel it off. What's really great too is that it helps to dissolve any waterproof makeup that you might have as well.
So, and after you towel it off, do you feel compelled to wash your face with soap, or you don't bother?
I personally don't. I love just leaving it on.
So you didn't wash it off today?
No, but what you can do, you're gonna lick my face?
I was gonna lick it, I could do that too, but you don't smell like sesame oil.
No. But if you feel like you want to cleanse a little bit more, go for a really gentle cleanser that doesn't have soap, because it's not gonna take your pH out of whack.
All right, so we wash, we make a face mask out of it, and what's the last way?
Okay, the last way is an overnight treatment with moisturizer that you might already have. So it sort of amps up the power of the moisturizer you have, and you're creating an insulating layer so that moisturizer, anything you have in that moisturizer is going to be able to go deeper into your skin overnight because you have that insulation over it. So what you do is super simple. Grab some olive oil. We could steal some from Rachel.
Yep, it's olive oil.
A few drops, maybe 5 or 6.
5, okay.
Then you want to mix it together, and again, it's going to give you that insulation, and it's so cheap, right? I mean, hello.
No, you can't beat the price for sure.
You can't beat the price. Then all you do, oops, I'm making a mess here. All you do is you just start to slather it on your face, or yours.
Oh, jeez. Is that the right, no, this is like I put a regular moisturizer on.
Right, this is a regular moisturizer. So you wouldn't need this much. You would just use a little bit of moisturizer, but look at that. Don't you feel more youthful already?
Yes. What do you guys think? Would you really try this? I think it's pretty straightforward. And I like the fact that it's inexpensive, and it does sort of feel good, and it doesn't smell, which is the bigger concern I had.
It doesn't smell.
Well, Anna, thank you very much. I love the advice. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss out on new videos to live the good life.